In this class, we are going to learn how to rename an application. Let me just clone this application and create a new application. Say, my second app. Just click on create. Let's consider a scenario wherein you have created one application in the development environment and you have showcased the application to your customer or the business user, and then they told like the name of the process is not proper. Then what you will do is you will rename the process application. In order to rename, just click on this and select the info. Here you will see the title. So this title you can modify, saying instead of app I will tell application, and click on save. So here if you see, you have renamed the application. So identifier you cannot modify, only the application name you can change. So this is how you can rename an application.